Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Software Inc. When we left off, we had canceled the 2D software that we were developing, as well as moving the office over to our own plot of land over here. We built at least for now, a sort of office for us with a canteen, office space, utilities, as well as servers and such. Um, what I want to do this video, I should say, is really just start developing on a new software. Uh, I did get a recommendation in the comments that I should probably go for an antivirus since they are easier to make. So I will fix that, of course. And let's see, because we are fixing the bugs here. Oh, we've done this so much faster. Let's actually just take the rest of the shift to just fix this. And let's see, how are the servers looking? Let's see, 1.5, and we don't really have any new ones here. Alright, we could bring that down just a tad bit, but yeah, we are making good money from it right now, which is nice. We are making good money from it. Alright, and let's do that. And I just remembered, I do want to fix one more thing that I got as a recommendation, so I'll be right back. And we're back. For you it seems like an instant, for me it was a couple of seconds. So all I just changed was the skip, the day button is easier to access than the numpad 5 key, which it is for me. So I just fixed that just quickly, so I don't have to go up here or raise my hand or so to fix it. Oh yeah, we are wasting away a day here. Let's see. So we have multiple contracts here. However, I want something like this one perhaps. Get the server and let's go. Because now we are making quite a bit of money. And I think if we are, I did it just by reflex. But I do think if we are continuing with these sort of like incomes, the income just or finances, whatever you want to say, if we continue with this like positive finances, I think we might actually start the development. And like I said, without a publisher, with no marketing or support or anything or printing or so, just do it ourselves. And with that, we will, yeah, be able to make sure that we always have money to stay afloat. Also, like this, have some sort of economic like security when it comes to not being like below 200,000. We just pause it or like prioritize something else and make sure that it just basically always gets worked on, but doesn't really take from the time of actually working on contracts, or the latter or the other side of it. We can actually work on it and decide exactly how we use our time up, honestly. So we'll fix this one, and then I think we're actually gonna start on the actual first software that we make. So next day once again here. Let's see, no, this is what I wanted. Let's see, antivirus. There are a fair bit amount of them. We do want to get someone that has a good creativity. So I'm wondering, what would be the best? Is it like lead designer, perhaps? Or designer lead, maybe. Let's get these two and begin. So you are ordinary, perhaps inspiring, because we want one that we would love one that actually has like her, I guess, but that has a higher threshold. Like it's not between 60 and 90, but actually like 70 and 90 or 70 and 100 would be nice. Um, let's actually do this. Let's go for a high, yeah, high salary. No, no. Not really. I don't think that's the right way. Uh, we'll check that out. This we can develop. and we'll just finish this like I said, then start the development of our first software. So I wanted to do antivirus on the server 0. We'll do a new framework. For now, it'll be just let's go Kreimatic antivirus. I know, very original, fun and everything. Let's actually check the market, and we would like active, otherwise passive, and then monitoring. So passive, passive, active, monitoring. You know what? Sure, sure, sure. So we have a few more. Oh, we have network. This doesn't really. Oh, this does have more of the. Okay, so how much would that be? About a year. Then we could take away this because we don't really need the monitor. Okay, let's have it at 2 speed instead. We could do that. And we could take away this. No, this, no. If we take this instead, auto balance, and perhaps this, like that perhaps? It will be about a year. Estimated creativity, I don't like that though. Uh, who would be good here? Not really anyone, but we do have this then. So let's keep that over there, promote that one. And let's turn up the speed again. We do have some educations to perform as well, and we'll probably do that before we start the new software, just to make sure that we have like all the speed upgrades that we can have, or whatever you want to call it. But like for example, me, I can be 15% faster in both the programming part and the design part. Here, either system or I don't know if it's one, but let's go system on you. Educate. Okay, select all, educate. So for you, we're gonna get 2D, and you can have two more. Let's go network and 2D. And for you, we'll okay, yeah, because it's only 1 star, so it's one level. For you, we'll do 2D, and for you, network. Because that would mean that we will get, we can add the network part and actually have more, at least, speed when it comes to the network side of the programming, honestly. So let's see, let's make sure that we just work this whole day, fix as many bugs as possible. We have the 4 stars. I don't remember if we got that last episode of, or if that's now from the last program that we created or the last contract. But there, we have a huge amount of money. We are earning big on these. Yeah, we are earning a lot of money from the distribution as well. So that's nice. That means I think. Just closed it down. I wonder if you do just a designer, like nothing here. Maybe you 65 to not really to or antivirus. Let's see, anyone else? You have 2D office. No, I don't have hypochondriac. You have antivirus, but you're not. No. No. Antivirus. You are 51 to 100. But should we maybe try and find one of the like I would like this one, but like no skill in antivirus. Let's check here. Let's go there, and let's check antivirus. And one of the good ones, is there a antivirus that's? Oh yeah, I'm looking at the wrong one. There, this one perhaps. Can we go to lead designer, poach? Detach does not affected by team compatibility. Okay. Compatibility bad. Let's try and find one that's good. Let's see, at least good. I would love amazing, but I won't be too picky here. Lead designer, that's the same one. I'm guessing he's the only one, right? No, here is a audio tool. Okay. So it does seem like he is the only visionary right now for the We could get him and then make it just a dedicated design team, I guess. Perhaps. What would you like? You would like 900,000. We don't have that. Luxury meal 3,000 per day. Employee gets a bonus if their employment is terminated equal to 5 years pay. Okay. Is that just if I fire him or if he decides to quit? Because I'm thinking like non-binding contract and this one. Yeah, fixed rates, I guess that's fine. And 5%. I don't know how you, let's just try this, I guess. Yeah, I know. Or we already checked this, didn't we? Yeah. I guess you. Let's just check next month. It is tomorrow. Let's get a new, a smaller one, I think. Like this one, perhaps? Yeah, let's get this one. Accept that contract. Just have them work on something, get their design up or programming up and all that. But I do want to check and see if we can actually find a visionary. Hopefully. Otherwise, if we can find, I guess an inspiring will be fine as well. But I would like a visionary, honestly, to be the lead designer. I don't mind if we find a visionary that's like not the best at antivirus, but or that's just a lead designer, because they can always be in the perhaps the leader of the design team and just work on all the design products as long as they're like total. Yeah, that was a new month. Let's see, begin. Anyone new here? Maybe you. Not really skilled. Not demanding. But you won't be helping the product. You won't be helping the team for now. I don't know. We'll see. This is soon done. There we are. And let's start programming that. We'll be up to over 1 million. And we're looking good here. And we are auto-accepting everyone there. It is soon 1990, so we will soon be able to upgrade the servers even more and perhaps get rid of some of these servers just to save a bit of money on it. Well, we're not really. Are we paying for electricity right now? Yeah, we are. Not a huge amount, but we are. So let's see. Now it is a new month again. And do this. So 2D, 3D, and yeah, game engine, audio tool. Oh, her. Yeah, like her. Fixed rate, yeah, that's fine. 2D's good. 3D, I guess, is fine. But she can also help with these things. So I think we're gonna get her, but we are just gonna yoink this up. And we will go to furnish. And we will duplicate this and this to have 2 more spots for employees. And just put this up. There we are. And if we go back to hire, we will get the money back. Let's see, where were you? Who was it? You? Yeah, you, because that I think is inspiring, if nothing else. So we will, yeah, we will hire you, let you come in tomorrow, and then we will make sure you are the lead designer on our antivirus, which will be nice. I don't think she's gonna be a visionary, but she will at least be inspiring, I think. Promote that and just fix bugs for the rest of the day. Actually, let's start here. Antivirus, and let's go, like I said, here and here. We will get this one, and we will get this one, and a new one. Kreimatic Antivirus. We will be making more frameworks in the future, I think, just to swap them out. For now, this will be the antivirus. Kreimatic cleaner. So original, so good. And 2D, we don't have one, but we'll take you, I think. Let's see, every single one that's compatible. Yep. And it's these two, and It's not really that. Yeah, this one's better. Let's go for this one. It's cheaper as well, which is nice. And let's add just for the active, I guess this one. It was released a year ago. Yeah, I think this one. You could always change it later. And auto balance here, and we need more. Oh yeah, we're missing. We're missing. Okay, okay. So we would need well, we could get a level 3 programmer. So we could actually get this, and we could get um maybe that. What did we get before? Like this and that. Is this what we had before? No, wait. This? That is a lot of waste. There. That is not too much waste. No, that's not what we had before though. We had not that one. Was it this one? Be a lot of waste though. Uh, yeah, you know what? I'll go for the malware alert. Very nice. That is the right one, right? Yeah, that is the right one. The lady we just got. And there. Everything's good. Everything is great. Alright. And let's start development. Yeah, we know. And let's get a programmer for the core team, yeah. By filter with network. Oh, this is high. Oh well. More stress, but sunshine. Level 3 network, level 2 system. This perhaps? Stress though. What about this? Network, 3D, and design and network. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll take you. That's fine. I hope that was amazing. We can check. Yeah, 182.8. And let's skip to the next day again. Alright, so now we have started the work on our own software. So I think we'll just actually work on it a bit. And I think we're going to get it up to about 4 iterations probably. Get the, isn't, yeah, that's the max. So yeah, let's try and get it to 4 iterations. We'll see how the income is, but for now at least we are making money every month. So we could, if we wanted to, get another team that comes in during the afternoon or so. So we can just jump back, like just keep people working almost all the time. Which wouldn't be too bad of an idea, honestly. Otherwise we could make a separate design team so that the programmers can work on contracts right now to just make a huge amount of money, and then the actual designers can just design like the antivirus, they can design a 2D, they can design all sorts of different products so that when we're ready we just promote them into the, or develop them. We develop that program, send it out, develop the next one, send it out, and just keep doing that. So let's actually also get a maintenance and a IT guy just to not have to worry about this. Soon next day, so he'll come in soon. Let's also check how much would this plot be? 300,000. But that would mean that we can, when we have 1,000,000, we can buy either we could buy the what's it called? The wind turbine? Yeah, the wind turbine. Just to start making some more actual like profits, money. Let's actually also get the. We could wait. How much are we consuming every month? We're consuming 20.2. Yeah, so we basically need a wind turbine, honestly. For now, we are making money. It's not too bad. What is it? 6,000 for electricity. We would probably, with one turbine, like earn 2,000. So that would be 8,000 difference. But it's like we still earn quite a big amount. like 16,000 without any contracts on like currently being worked on. So that's all right for me, honestly. What I want to also do soon is I would like to probably next course of action is probably buy this a plot and actually remove this whole building and actually build a nicer one so we can have a main old office. Or we could also buy a plot somewhere. Doesn't have to be huge. But let's say what would this one be worth? That is almost 500,000, 500 to that is a couple of parking lots as well, so we could just buy that, remove them, like these ones, and get some sort of printing operation going. And then get some sort of basic reception area. And then we can start getting deals. We get the printing jobs, we can get the hosting as well as support or design or development, marketing and all that. And that's also something I want to do now with the new office. Get some sort of marketing, and let's do this then. Let's move that over here. Get the, let's see, where is it? It's right there. So let's go like this, like that, and make a new wall here, and remove, and do that, and this, and remove that wall, and that wall. So let's do like that, I think, and like this. Marketing support, I think. We're just gonna have something like that. We'll get a sliding door here, sliding door there, and a sliding door here. Great. Now we can actually start working on those as well. But right now, we're not gonna, but we will as soon as this is starting to at least end or start to get closer to release. That cost more than I thought. Employee benefits, no. There's nothing to do. Oh yeah, because it's only network now, right? Yeah, so that is why I would like just put another staircase here, get up one more level for a design team. I don't know, we'll see, Because this building for now, we're gonna have to just raise it on the, let's do this. Okay, here we want that. We want. I'm gonna have this for the support teams, and it'll have the normal wood. So this, this, and this. Here. What do we have down here? Hey, you know what? Can I copy this? Oh, here. Okay, you know what? I'm actually just gonna do that, but change the flooring to this. And here as well, change the flooring. Oh no, it changed. Alright. And here I'll actually just do, warehouse. And here we'll take the office one. And, it's, okay, these two, and this one here, we want bricks. These are all okay. And then the entire building color for now, we'll do this. There, everything is the right, same color on the exterior. So that's nice. Doesn't look too bad. Can look better, but doesn't look too bad. Also, I do want to do this. Just boom and boom. And I guess we can do one here as well, and here. Yep, that's great. Into each other? Should they? No, no. They're not gonna be able to see each other. They're different teams. Okay, and we are 8 people now. We're soon done with the first iteration. Are we losing money now? Apart from the no, we're not. It's just the last month with the construction. Right. Okay, so I want to I wish you could let time start continue while you're working like this or building. So here I want. Actually, you know what? Oh wait, I can do this there and select and duplicate and just oh, it's right. It's incorrect. Right. That was what I was gonna fix. That's why we shouldn't have destroyed that wall. Let's just drag this wall one out and one out and grab this and put it as far over here as I can. I won't be able to move that wall, will I? No, damn. We could honestly do this. Put another floor or room over here. Take staircase like so, and do this. Take this one, go right here. Take that one, go right there, and right there. And now we can move the wall, and we can just make these into more. For now, we'll just do that. But we could make those into more bathrooms. But for now, we'll just do that. It's not looking as pretty anymore, honestly. But it doesn't matter. It's fine. We have more a place for example, solar energy or so as well. So that's nice. Actually, I do want to continue here. So there, and let's put it there instead. Honestly, let's do this. Wall, retract that by one. There. And we can have just like bathrooms here, I think. We can put in the doors for now at least. Oh yeah, it's a pillar. So don't have that as a pillar. And door. There, and there. And let's put in this wall as well. Whoops. There. And let's just do this. Copy, clone, I mean. And it's, what is it, these? Yeah. There we are. More bathrooms for everyone. Let's actually, no. Let's keep that one, but move it over here. And, oh, I've forgotten to put in a sink in these. I'm sorry. No one's actually complaining, which is shocking. But let's do that. Those are showers, and let's do these open that way. So let's do so like this, I guess. There, and we need one more thing, and that is a. Am I blind? Oh yeah, I did this incorrectly. There, and there. And I've not put in shower heads. Where are my shower head? I thought I had showers. I guess not. Let's put them here, and let's put one here. So one person can shower up here, two people down here. Great. Next day. And this is so close to being finished. Ad blocker is the only one left. And boom. Start continuing there. And now we can actually select, duplicate, and boom. Done. This should have, yeah, skills. What is this? Oh. Duplicate that, put that there, and put that there. Alright. So this one will only be used by core team for now. And this one will be for the new marketing team. But for now we don't have a marketing team, but that will be fixed soon. And that's going very fast, but it's the network that is hard to fix. Honestly, I would like to add some more employees, like one more desk, one more network designer. Alright, so let's go designer and programmer, medium, network, begin. Let's see, anyone here that's good? Now is when we find like 80% antivirus, great. I don't think so. Let's see, let's just go from the top. Maybe. Oh, whoops. Can I not use the arrow keys? No? I thought I could. Oh, there. Okay. So let's see. It's 2D network is level 2. They're level 3 and system level 3. Could always use another system person. Wouldn't be too bad. Another network programmer as well. We only have one right now. Maybe, but she's stressed, so I don't like that too much. Otherwise, this guy, stressed once again. You, yeah, could be nice for hardware, but that's not now. That's quite a bit ways away. No, was it you? System and network, and then it's audio and hardware. Yeah, yeah, you know what? Let's go for it. I'll take your sunshine as well, so I'll take you. And we need space for one more, or let's just get 2 more desks once again. There's not enough ventilation here. This is so ugly, honestly, but it works, I guess. For now, we will be fixing this soon enough. And also I want here, no, here and here. Thank you. So that guy will come in, very nice. And we'll skip to the next day. Oh god, our finances are going down again, but it's because I keep constructing stuff. But now we have another designer on network, so that will probably help at least a bit. Otherwise, do we have a... No, I know something that they'll complain about, and that is me not having the having fire alarms in every room. So let's just put that up everywhere. Like so, like so, and like so. And I'm wondering, should we change a bit here so we can put a security desk? Maybe. Maybe. We'll see though. Let's skip to the next day again. Yeah, we're starting to make money again here. I'm wondering if we should bring this down just a tad bit, but it's like we're making money now. Why try and fix something that's not broke? Feels like a dumb idea, if you ask me. So the marketing team. I think I'm only, because if we check here, I just want to see service marketing. So level 3 is that they can create videos though. Yeah, I'm probably going to get level 3. However, support level 3 is not really that important. Like, yeah, it does help fix some bugs now and then, but level 2 is more important. So I'm probably just going to get for support level 2, marketing and level 3 straight away. But it is, like I said, quite a bit of time left since this needs to be fixed first. Alright, and like I said, the finances are going pretty well here. I'm wondering, once again, is there a plot that we can buy that's not too expensive, but that we can actually use for printing? Like here, perhaps 300, huge amount. Down payment on that would be 900,000, yeah, never mind. Like one of these perhaps? No. Yeah, like this. Wait, how big is this? This is 250, so this is even bigger than ours? A bit, yeah, so it's basically everything, not this area here. So perhaps this one is smarter to get, like one of these. These are the same. This one is just cheaper. Why is that one more expensive? I don't know, but I think I'm gonna get this one. And I'm gonna put in a, this isn't gonna be the biggest like production area. I think we're gonna be doing this just straight away, and this building will always sadly be ugly. I don't think I'm ever gonna fix this to look decent even. And we put in a double door here, no, over here honestly, so that we can have garages over here. And we make a room that a security guard can be in, like so. And we'll put another door over here like that. And we go furnish staff security desk right there. And we will right away do okay, so 8 and that is until 16, so 16 and midnight. There we are. And I do also want to start do I actually want to start doing this? Yeah, we can do something like smaller like this. All of these will be for deliveries. And we will just do like that and that. Basically all the way over here. And put, let's see, where's the closest? There, 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 and there. And we will do like so. And we will wait for these ones. So we have a building now for it, but we're not really going to be putting out any printers until we can get the medium ones. I don't feel we need the, like these are 1,000 boxes, 1.8 per month. Actually, yeah, and it's 0.2 per copy, and here it's 15 cents. So it's 20 cents or 15. Lasts about, what is it, 8 months more? Yeah, 8 months. Is a bit higher cost, but it also prints faster. So yeah, I get why it's a bit like more expensive, honestly. Um, this shouldn't have changed. I should probably still be making money. Seems like more people have gotten our, yeah, 3.8. So I'm pretty sure we've gotten more business on our digital distribution here. We're not getting everyone, so we could lower it for like more of these, but I know I'm heading for bankruptcy. Not really, but yeah. So let's see, how much did they have? I cannot pronounce that. It says that we got this one, 0 megabytes. Very nice. Great. And once again, it's super slow, so we'll do this and just take a smaller contract. A website. No, that's not a small one. Nah, sadly, you guys will just have to be sad boys sitting around. Can we skip? Yep, there we are. Oh look, it's a kitty cat. And it's run off. But there's ducks in the pond over here. If I buy this, will the pond be gone? I'm guessing so. We just fill it over. And now we're starting to get some money back. Very nice. Quite a bit, isn't it? Yeah, 70,000 last month. God damn, we're making huge amounts of profit just by working on our own, like our own software. We're not doing anything to actually make money apart from the actual distribution platform. It's growing a tad bit, so these are doing a bit more every now and then, which is good. We do like when the actual like distribution platform, when it expands by itself, just the ones that have a contract just increases their like required bandwidth. Actually, it's gone down now. Probably lost one like yesterday or something. I'm wondering, can we like scoot this over a bit so we can perhaps get the like a reception area? Or we could move this. That would make it weird with the bathrooms. We would have to move the bathrooms over here. Because this room we could always move over here. And like this. So we could make a staircase like over here. What would it need to be? It's into and then 4. So it will be 10. So it would need a fire alarm unless you have no sort of electricity inside of it, I guess, perhaps. So no lamps, the darkness. We have gotten lamps in every room, except for this one. This one doesn't need it right now. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, server is very high. It's 1990s. You know what? All of you, replace. How much would this cost? 4,000 each. Bam. Very nice. So now it's very low. But that is because, yeah, a lot of these just jumped up like 100 megabits per second. This one like half a gig. So I do understand why it did that. I would have liked to see how much we lost, how much business we lost with you. But I guess it's fine. It's fine. It's no worries. And Rocco White called in sick. We don't like that. We do not enjoy that one bit. However, the second iteration here is soon done. Oops, skip. Second iteration here is soon done, so that's nice. Network is the thing that's taking the longest time. We can educate someone. It's myself. And yeah, network level 3 design. Yeah, sure. That will speed up the iterations. So in the future, if you guys want to not see this part where we're just like waiting for the actual iterations, just tell me. I'll skip ahead for you guys. For now, this first episode for the first software that we're actually gonna release, I feel it's better if you're actually here. But like I said, if you guys don't mind skipping ahead just to not be able to have to see this, if unless I'm, for example, now that I've actually been building, I've been expanding, I've been fixing some things. But apart from that, just if you want me to skip ahead, just tell me in the comments. Let's see, it's super, super close. Like, do you even see that? My mouse doesn't even fit in there. It's not even, yeah, it's less than, yeah, oh my. But I do understand that this will take quite a bit of time. We have 18 gigabits per second now, but we should be making quite a bit of money. Yeah, we're gonna be making a huge amount of money now every month. What we can do is, with the 1 million that we have, wait one more month and then get the wind turbine, honestly. See, it's going fast again, but it's because these three are here. But yeah, we're gonna just like get this to 100%, review it, 100%, review it until it's 10 out of 10. We'll also see, wait, we haven't released anything. Where were you? You? Yeah, we haven't released anything yet, so we can't know for sure. But I think there is a very small chance, but there is a chance that she is a visionary, which is nice. I'm wondering if I should do something like this. You guys are like a vacation never? No, but like in earlier or later in the year. So we don't have everyone to just go on vacation about the same time. Yeah, we're starting to fill this up now. Ooh. Yeah, so how much did we make? $400,000 profit almost. 400,000. Oh my, holy shit. Okay. Internet like this we can't really reduce anyway, or maybe, well, yeah, I guess servers. So it's 2, 2, 2. Never mind. Yeah, there's not really any way for us to now decrease the actual like costs when it comes to running these servers. These are just gonna increase the costs, honestly. So let's skip on ahead. I've once again just missed. I'm sorry about that, guys. So let's see. Now it's 1990, which is what we were also waiting for here. The medium printers. So what we could do is, I would honestly like to like move this here, duplicate this here, 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 here. Just do this. It's fine that it's not the most efficient sort of way, but yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot about this as well. So there, there. Oh wait, I want the other way, right? Yeah, I want this way. Otherwise, they're just going to be constantly picking it up, throwing it back in, picking it up, throwing it back down. I mean, Alright there, and the same thing over here. Oh, nope, it's only for that side. Alright there, and this one we don't need, and drop off as well. There, and we want the printers. Let's get not too many like that. How much is this? 10 of them? Yeah, should be fine. Distribution software. We have a capacity of 240 boxes, or 240,000 copies per month. And now I would like a reception area just to be able to, well, honestly, just start printing those copies. We will, however, also need couriers and everything, which isn't super amazing, but yeah, we'll see, we'll see. How much did all that construction cost us? $500,000. $500,000 from that. Okay. Alrighty then. But we are continuing to earn more and more and more. Well, now it's gone down a bit, it seems. But yeah, like here, 5.2. We have 78% of the market, so there is still some more people that can accept, but we'll see. No, that's not what I wanted. Another person signed it. Yeah, now it's going down. Oh yeah, that's probably because some of their products are like losing. Oh, they went home empty-handed. Very nice. Oh, yeah, they wanted to take my printers, but we have a security guard over here. Wait, is he going over to our other place as well? Yeah, he's going back and forth, isn't he? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. In case they want to come in here, he'll just come and get them out of here. Okay, so now I'm guessing, yeah, not really yet, but soon. Soon they'll be a lot slower, honestly. Or the iteration, I mean, because the network system's almost done, OS support is almost done, then the 2D will be super fast. Seems to be quite fast now. Actually, let's see when they start working here. Yeah, it's gonna be quite quick, because now this is done. This is just gonna zoom past. Oh god. Come on, come on. There we are. And yeah, now it's a new day again. I wish that I don't need to see when the actual new security guard comes, because like this is just me waiting for the security guards. So here, for example, yeah, it's going quite quick. The network is slowing us down quite a bit, but I think it's fine. It's no worries. Uh, let's see. So, is there perhaps a way for me to make this into a reception? I don't want to do that. I want to make one office that is a reception area. So we'll just have to wait. That's all. Just wait. We are making huge amounts of profit every month. 250,000 now. Internet costs has gone up. Our income has gone down. I'm guessing, yeah, it's slowly losing its like customer base, or like our customers. That's obvious, since the, like I said, the software that they've produced, the actual hype, the amount of active users and all that, they do still get decreased over time, so it's not too weird. And yeah, this is going pretty good. But I do think that will be the end of this episode, actually. So if you liked what you've seen, leave the video a like, subscribe to see more, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Like I also said before, if you want to see, either skip these sorts of videos where we just wait, honestly. Perhaps, like I said, not this one. This is the first episode, or the first software that we're actually going to be releasing. But in the future, if you want to skip it, just let me know. I'll either do a montage of it, just these sorts of periods where we wait, or at least maybe just skip it, depends on what you want. Otherwise, if you want to see your name in the game as one of my designers, marketers, or anything like that, just let me know and I can fix that. Otherwise, that was it for today, guys. You have an awesome day, and yeah, bye.